nani yako ready kwa hii challenge? Okay, so as you can see niko na $59 hapa kwa account, and nataka nione kama we can grow a $50 account to something like 1000 USD by the end of today, that is today midnight. Okay, so join me kama uko na any account between 50 and above, that is 50 USD and above. Okay, so I'm using Green Product site. I'm already logged in. So come on and trade, ensure that you are logged into Green Product site. Then the other thing is that you will be using this analysis tool and combining with the analysis tool that is provided for free on Green Product site. Okay, then it will be going for less risk markets. For example, like right now, I want us to go for under 8 market in this setup. So ukiangalia vizuri, the market is meeting our condition. Tulisema kama una trade under 8, you should ensure that the least appearing and the most appearing is under your prediction. The same should apply to the second, and the second most appearing appear the second least appearing. In the case whereby the least appearing is above your prediction, that's always your entry point. I hope to cover. So it means that right here we can enter the market with digit 8. Okay, so we're going for under 8, and shall make my settings. It's a 101 second market. Hapa hivi as you can see. Okay, so market near under 8. I'm going to hide the stake to a 50 USD. Okay, so can we maybe use a maximum of 40 USD due to risk management. Okay, but for me, I'm going to use 40, that is a 50 USD. Okay, so I'm aiming to double the account in this first session. So ukipatana na hii video, make sure that umekimbia pale uangalie market kama hii, then you double your account. In the next video nitakuwa nafanya on which strategy that we'll be using next, until by the end of the midnight we make it to a 1000 USD, God willing. Okay, so let's get into this. So tunakuja hapa kwa analysis tool. Remember nimeload the version 3 of the silver bots. So tunakuja hapa kwa analysis tool, we change the market to over under, then market to 101s, then number of ticks to 600 ticks. Okay, so we're going for the under market. Na ukiangalia sasa iko 82%, which is very okay. So ukiangalia hapa entry point sasa iko kwa digit 8. Okay, in case digit 8 increase, we're going to use a digit 9 because ndio itakuwa na higher percentage, unaona? So it means that we can end up with digit 9 right now. Okay, so let's wait and see. So we are trying using the last digit up hivi. Ensure that umetumia hii strategy. Join me as we grow this account from 59 USD or maybe 50 USD to 1000 USD. 7 2 4 6. So you should always be very careful when it comes to timing the entry point, because it's always very crucial. Okay, 9. So mimi nimeingia na digit 9. Let's see. So 4 runs will be enough, then I stop the robot. It's a very accurate market, usishtuke ukitrade. Yeah, so nimemake 4 runs, already nimefika 97 USD. So what I'm going to do, because nimebakisha only 27 USD, I'm going to lower this stake to something like 20 USD, and then the stake to 20 USD pia, then I lower the prediction to 9. I hope to kuanza. So we're going to go to the analysis tool as usual. We change the market to over under. Then okay, I want to change this to over under, then market to 101s. I hope you guys will be following these simple steps, and I'm sure that you are going to thank me later. Entry kwa 9. So 9 ikitokea, we start our robot. We only need 3 USD due tufike our target. I hope you guys can clearly see. So let's see, the difference is in the ticks, because hapa tunatumia 600, hapa zinakwanga 1000 ticks. I hope tuko pamoja. So let's see 8. So in case you switch to 8, I'm going to tell you, but bado iko kwa 9. Sasa unaona hata siingi na digit 8 imeapia pale sana. I hope you guys can clearly see. So let's wait and see 8. Okay, so nimeingia na digit 8. I just need only one trade, then I quit. Okay, I believe I think the staking, okay, itakuwa very little amount. Okay, so 2 runs, then we should be out. Okay, we can maybe change this to under 8. Okay, under 8, so that we can make one trade. Okay, I think so. That will be okay. So tunakuja hapa kwa analysis tool. We change this market to over under. Then market to 100 on S. Now ticks 600 there. Then we time for the entry point. Bado kwa 9 hivyo. So nimeingia. Let's see. Okay. A symbol start. So that's how to make it our first target and reduce T. I hope you guys are going to follow these simple steps. Make sure that you're trading on Green Product site. Ndio kutry market vizuri hapo kwa analysis tool. One of the best analysis tools. So don't be left out. Yeah, kama uko na $50 account, we're going to grow it to 1000 USD by midnight. So kama umekama close hii video, kimbia pale kwa Green Product site, angalia tu market ya under 8. Kama nimeanza na under 8, make sure that tumeanza na under 8 too. Kama next tutakuwa tuna trade even out or maybe under or maybe over market, make sure that you trade using that strategy. I hope you guys will watch that. So this is King, wishing you all the best. Ensure that you trade on Green Product site, yeah, for the best trading experience. So for now, bye bye. See you all in the next trade. Peace out.